Okay, let's get your boat organized in shipshape. After all, yachting is about relaxation and exploration, not chaos and confusion, something which is all the more challenging when there are several people are on board. While seasoned sailors may develop routines and systems over time, or with a consistent crew, we've put together our tried and tested tips and tricks to help streamline life aboard from the get-go. Stackable luggage is essential. One of the rookie mistakes people make is to bring large, hard-shell suitcases. After all, you might think, I'm going on a boat, I'm taking a suitcase. As experienced seafarers know, space is at a premium on a boat, and these suitcases can become cumbersome obstacles. A much better alternative is soft, foldable luggage that can be stowed under the bed. It's also important to remind the crew in advance about this space-saving tip to avoid suitcase-related complications. These are totally inappropriate suitcases for a boat. They cannot be folded in any way and will get in the way for the whole trip. One list, one purchase, one packet of salt. Buying supplies for the boat may seem to be a simple matter, but it's easy to end up with a surplus of some items and a shortage of others. Make a list of what you're planning to cook and what ingredients you will need. If more than one person is involved, agree who buys what, and you won't end up with 3 packets of salt and no pepper or sugar. Don't hate on cardboard boxes. Cardboard boxes are surprisingly handy on a yacht. They can hold supplies that don't fit in the lockers and transport rubbish to the dumpster. The best part? They're usually available for free at local supermarkets. Find all the hidden storage spaces. At first glance, there appears to be little storage space on the boat. True, it's not like a home where you have a built-in wardrobe, but there are still plenty of hiding places, boxes, cabinets, and nooks and crannies where you can put things, shove things, or tidy things away. Explore every inch of the yacht and you'll be surprised at how much storage space there is. Boat designers leave few cavities without a function. Kitchen accessories are a bit of an unknown. From one boat to the next, or charter to charter, kitchen utensils and accessories can greatly vary. While yacht owners can give you an overview of the kitchen gear they choose to have aboard, it's generally recommended not to rely solely on the information from any one person. You might find it useful to buy some small essentials, particularly cleaning items, at the marina itself. If you're inclined to bring a few helpful gadgets from home, you might consider items like a knife sharpener, a bottle opener, or dish towels. Conveniently, the marina is also a great place to pick up essentials like paper napkins, toilet paper, detergent, and a sponge, and bin liners. You'll also find that some charter services offer a cleaning starter pack for a small fee. Containers for leftovers. Are you going to the marina in your own car? Then you'll almost certainly be packing a snack for the trip. Don't just pack it in bags and napkins, take it with you in reusable plastic containers. You'll especially appreciate them if you plan to cook on the boat and need to store the leftovers. Cling film will serve you well too, so be sure to pack some. Duct tape fixes almost everything. Duct tape is an indispensable tool for every captain. It provides an immediate fix for many unexpected issues, malfunctions, and imperfections that can arise on board. Whether it's securing a loose flag, mending a torn shoe, or covering a sharp part of the railing to prevent the Gennaker sail from ripping, duct tape can be the answer to a myriad of challenges on a boat. Some sailors have even been seen wrapping duct tape around the sleeves and legs of their waterproof attire to ensure it doesn't leak. Duct tape will attach anything, anywhere. Knives away. Indeed, it may sound like common sense, but a surprising number of accidents on a boat occur simply because of items falling, breaking, or people inadvertently stepping on sharp pieces. At sea, there's always an element of unpredictability. You never can predict when the boat will lurch or rock, turning ordinary objects like glasses, knives, or other potential hazards into serious safety risks. As a preventative measure, ensure that all lockers are secured and any knives or tools are safely stowed away from the galley counter before you begin to sail. Fruit hammock. Does your fruit get tossed around in the saloon during rougher sailing, ending the day battered and bruised, fit only for the bin? We have a fantastic solution for you. Let your fruit swing in a hammock. It may sound unusual, but seasoned sailors and liveaboards swear by this method. Anything from a fishing net, a portion of a traditional hammock, or any type of netting available at home improvement or hardware stores can serve as the hammock. Not only does this approach keep your fruit safe, but it also makes an interesting conversation piece. This is the best way to protect fruit on board. Cleaning services. On a boat, it's almost inevitable that a daily cleanup will be needed. But since everybody's responsibility is nobody's responsibility, it often gets overlooked. It could lead to a situation where one crew member ends up shouldering the burden of tidying up after everyone else, only to become frustrated after a few days. To avoid such disagreements and potential disruptions, divide up shifts, assign duties, and make a schedule of who will be in charge of cleaning. Make sure to have specific tasks assigned for each day, ideally noted down on a plain sheet of paper. Damefluent tip: if you are sailing for more than a week, we recommend doing a general cleaning, where the whole boat is cleaned thoroughly. Materials matter. When it comes to packing for a boat trip, the quantity of items is often less important than their quality and material. Opt for items that are practical. For instance, opt for a quick-drying towel instead of a traditional one that takes all day to dry. Likewise, choose a merino wool shirt that remains odor-free for days over a synthetic one that starts to smell after just a few hours. Such choices will reduce the clutter on your boat's railing, making your boat appear neater and more orderly. Respecting the captain's desk. Maintaining order at the captain's desk can only be achieved by declaring it for the captain's exclusive use. No crew member should have the privilege to place anything on the desk, and consuming anything on it should be strictly off-limits. The captain's desk is reserved for the captain's use, for a designated navigator or a radio operator. Only the captain, navigator, or the crew member using the radio should be at the captain's desk. Please like and subscribe to see more Damefluent content. Life is better at sea.